Hey guys, your girl is back. Yeah, this is a joyful moment. Look at that, my tits. I'm just shining tits. Okay, guys. So, we're gonna be learning this simple edge wrap together today. Una done ready? Hope you guys are ready. So, get ready, get your material and your office pen and a cutout of a cardboard. Let me start showing you how to do this very simple. Gele lovers, gather, let's learn. So we are starting now. We have the material, we have the cutout cardboard or carton. Either of the two, just get it. Then you just roll it up like that. Then you make like a pleat. It's not necessary. It's not necessary. Just roll it up. Then you place it on your head, guys. That's just it. Roll it with the carton and place it on your head. If you want it to cover the middle of your head, middle part, you might not fold it to the length I folded it to, so that it will be able to cover the middle part. But I want the place open. That is why I still pleated to that length. Do you get me, guys? So when you are done with that, go to the back, go cross it or knot it, then you bring the excess forward. Guys, so all you need is just to focus your eyes. So this my talk. Yeah, I used to tell you people it doesn't work for some people. So if you know talk doesn't work for you, just watch, focus and see what I'm doing. You see, I just arrange that place, then I place it on top, then I'll be dipping it inside that. Shey you see, aha, just like, oh, just dip it there to get it secured and adjust to your taste. So you're working with the other part, just raise it up. We're doing the same thing to it right there. Focus your eyes and see what we're gonna do. You place it there like that and you use your office pin to secure it at the middle. Alright guys, so when you are done securing it with office pin at the middle, you are almost done. The excess you have there, just spread it out and use it to make her rolls. Sefene, and you're done with that edge wrap, guys. You can see this is simple, right? This is very simple. It's just for you to get idea of what to make, and you're going to make different hairstyles to anywhere you want to go to. It's quite simple. So guys, I'm done with this and I'll be showing you the finished touch. All right, so guys, if you've watched this video to this length, you haven't followed this page or subscribe on YouTube, you haven't liked my video, you haven't comment, and you haven't shared my video, I offend you, kindly follow for more now. Alright guys, so drop your like, comment, and I'll be seeing you in my next video very soon with another easy simple style. You know that is what we are here for. So guys, don't hesitate, don't just hesitate, follow.